everybody, it's your girl Mookie here. Today I am eating like soul food. Soul food mukbang. So I'm getting ready for it again. I'm here celebrating my grandmother's 85th birthday. Her birthday is the 23rd, but today is February 17th, 2020. And we're just here having family time. Check out this first dog. Listen, y'all have heard me say before that I do not classify myself as an MUA, but yeah, I don't think I did good, but I'm sure a professional MUA will come and find some kind of flaws. I'm sure, but
you like that corn, don't you? That's good.
I think I did good.
You like that corn? Yeah. Make what?
I like it. Because I said,
What, mate?
I should try to wear something when I do these videos. It makes a difference. When you have a topic we can talk about. You have a topic of discussion. So we're in Warner Robins at Old Time. Basically Southern style cooking. It's really good. It's a Monday, so I guess the menu would be different than it would be on a Sunday because there's no dressing. There's no sweet potato souffle, which is my favorite. They don't have it today. They mostly have fish with some grits too. You have to choose wisely. It's all good. Mom, you want to talk about something?
Nothing in particular.
You already have bones inside including your funny bone.
What are you doing? It's called editing. What are you doing, Kylie? I don't know what I want my thumbnail to be. You ain't got nothing to talk about, Mom. I need to find a topic for the people.
No, I'm doing a lot of talking. Because you didn't call my seat.
Family gatherings are what I love to do. I love eating with my family. I love being around my family. I'm very family oriented. Ever since I was a little girl. This isn't even a fraction of our family. I have a pretty big family. And this is something we do every year for Grandma. I guess this is her favorite restaurant because she always picked this place. We went to one other place, 2017, Blackbeard. And we haven't done that since.
She didn't like it.
Yeah. She's very picky. But she's a great cook herself. She's an awesome cook herself. Very well known for her baking. She used to work in the hospital. Just to give y'all a little background on my grandma. She used to work in the hospital in the kitchen. Then she went to the nursing home.
She started in the school system.
Okay, well my mama can tell y'all better than me because I came after her. So where did she start, Mom?
In the school system. She worked at O'Neill in the cafeteria.
And then what?
Then to the hospital.
Okay. So she started in the school system at O'Neill, which is now, I think, the alternative school in Cordell. Very old school. Then she went to the hospital. Then she worked at the nursing home for a little while, and then back to the hospital. And then she retired. So cooking has been her zhuzh all her life. And after she retired, she started baking out of her home. She take orders, a lot of them during the holidays, but basically, throughout all the year. She's very well known around our city and other cities. She has a lot of adopted children, but she has a total of 8 children. 6 girls and 2 boys. 1 deceased. He died when I was in the 7th grade. We call him Uncle Tina Man. So she has 8 kids and a total of, how many grandkids? 2. Who knows? She had 8 children, 8 grandchildren, and great-grands. I don't even know. So she has 8 children, 9 grandchildren, and 13 great-grandchildren. So Don't got 8.
We don't know.
Oprah
Don't got a lot of.
We just gonna say 8. Oprah got 3. That's 11. That's 11. My 3. That's 14. 15 for Justin. Oh Lord, Brandon. 15, 17, 19. 19 great grandchildren. So you have a pretty big family.
That's how I have it. Let's go with the truth.
She is a widower. What do you call somebody who have a deceased husband? A widower. She's a widower. And my granddaddy died before I was born. I never met him. What are you laughing at? Why? Why are you laughing? And this is on my mom's side. I have a pretty big family on my dad's side too. We used to have family reunions, but we haven't had that in years. We used to have a great turnout. We used to have it every other year, 19. But we haven't had one in a while. I miss those days. Because the simple fact, I want my children to know who their family is as well. And they're not getting a chance to experience what I experienced as far as family reunions and all that. People don't really have them anymore.
Somebody want to see you eat? Mukbang?
We're kind of late, so this time we gotta hurry to get out of this room. Okay, chill. So I think I'm gonna end this video here. So if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. And please comment down below on some other videos that you would like to see from me, or new ideas, or whatever it is. I will be glad to bring it to you. If you are not, please go follow me on all of my social media platforms. The links will be in the description box down below. So please, family, let's go run it up. Let's run these numbers up. Let's get more family on board. And let's just do it, because we're going up. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, y'all be blessed. Peace.
Bye.